Hey guys, welcome, it's DxHardCore, and by the way, I'll be playing a bit of Skate 3. I know one of you enjoyed it last time, and yeah, so I'm gonna play some Skate 3, and if you remember from last time, I was in a game with Dirk and Sky Living. He's in the game right now, and I'm here with Dirk and Sky Living, Elite Rambo, and H20 Delirious, but if you can see in the game, it's actually retarded great. So yeah, let's get on with this match. Yeah.
Alright, I got this, guys.
Are you sure about that?
Wow.
Alright, just don't pull what whatchamacallit did.
In a minute.
Perfect.
Mr. Moment, you fucked up.
This moment.
He pulled a me. He pulled a me. My turn.
I tried to be cool.
Alright, get more than 4,000 points this time. Come on.
Yeah, try get more than 9,000 points.
Oh, Spotto, let's go.
Oh.
Hey, perfect. Yes.
Does that work?
Just like that every time.
Okay, gotcha.
Yes, it's me. Alright, let's go.
Okay. Hey, dude, just front flip it.
Front flip it for YOLO.
Finish it up. Dude, just go with the first round front flip.
Let's do this.
Let's go.
Yo.
I got this. Psych.
Oh.
Oh! Did you see your neck?
Yeah,
Yeah.
I seen your neck. He was trying to do like a gymnastic stunt.
He's trying to be the exorcist.
Hardcore.
Yeah.
Watch him actually take this round seriously.
He's
He's actually gonna take this round seriously.
Oh shit.
I'm pretty sure he's actually taking this round seriously. I'm like,
Oh wow. Of course.
Oh my god, you're so good!
Oh my.
If you make us look, we're just like people that picked up on the street.
I'm a random!
we're all just messing around.
Yeah. I'm dead.
There, perfect. Alright,
Just
let's
mess
go.
around
do it again.
here and
Do the exact same thing you did
over
again.
here.
Okay.
Let's do it again.
Let's do this!
Pull a me.
No
We
problem.
can do this.
Right there,
We can
right
do
there.
this. Superman. He actually.
What was the point of that? What was the freaking point of that?
It's just like
That's all I actually seen is like him go route like
there,
right
that looks like the
around.
mouth of that right
What's
there,
funny
like
is
when
he's
you just
actually
where you
taking
something
this
like that.
serious.
It was like
The
actually,
mouth of that.
it was like he was like going around like I swear he was on like a roller coaster.
What's funny is Doug is actually taking this serious.
Like,
I'm taking everything serious.
bruh.
Whoa. You did the wall.
I think I'm the only character in Skate 3 that actually has a helmet on.
Yeah.
Yeah, like safety comes first.
Look at that nose blunt, bruh.
Oh no! Oh my god!
Oh.
It slightly clipped my head. I looked like ouch.
Ouch. I know he got that.
He's just gonna show us all up. He's gonna take this so serious.
Where I got that from.
Yeah. Ouch. How about we push the city to a new
Let's do this.
location?
This is how we do it. We
Yeah.
we go up to.
No.
SpongeBob.
That's one of them. That's one. Remember the remember that one show? It's gonna get away from my god. Yeah. Shame on you. What did my character do to you?
You mom.
Bruh.
Oh, Doug, remember that one?
That was amazing one, a gumball!
Oh.
Oh, them stunts though.
Oh! 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 Oh!
No stunts comparable.
Oh! 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 Oh my God!
Really?
He actually feels like he accomplished something.
A foot plant.
Oh!
What the heck? I think
he's happy.
I think you guys.
Okay, we tried raping.
I shot you.
do you see that Spider-Man techniques there? Undercover Spider-Man.
You gotta get on my level.
Undercover Spider-Man.
It's Spooderman.
No, Skate Man.
Say it right, noob.
Skate Man.
Nice frigid air.
Oh, you've actually
It's
got a
cold.
lot of points. You've
I know,
you've
I'm
got
so
11. What's
Oh baby, a
Keep it going,
triple.
stuff like that.
Oh my
I'm
god.
gonna go pour me some
That's
Hot
my
zero.
button.
Would you guys believe me if I said that's the most points I've ever gotten?
Yes.
Yes.
No, not really. Yeah, I'm sure you've done better than that.
Let's
I
do
will,
this.
I doubt that.
Well,
By the way, Rambo, this is our last time to be legit serious about this.
That didn't work.
I know.
You have to do something better because I think our Brit here is actually gonna try.
We winning anyway.
We still haven't even. There we go. We're winning, guys.
Finally. Is this the last round? Yeah.
oh,
I love how.
Is this the last round?
This
Yeah.
is a pain.
No, this is the second round.
Okay. Anyway, I'm gonna try my best anyway. So let's do this. Oh sh!
Oh. Yes!
Yes, we won.
No!
Rambo, we won.
But anyway,
But it was all like rock wall.
so anyway guys, if any of you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to smash the motherfucking like button on this video. And yeah, in a bit, peace out.